Hi everybody. I have to say, God, it's amazing. I got up this morning and I drove to Kilcock, where I'm from Selbridge, which is not really that far. It's about 15 minutes. But to me, I haven't driven over to Kilcock in an awful long time. I came over and walked into the kitchen to my mum and dad, who nearly had a heart attack when I walked in, and they were like, "How did you get here?" And so I feel absolutely amazing. I feel like in 2 days, my whole world has kind of opened up again. It's crazy. The KAM technique that we were taught the other day, and the whole day was just so amazing. I think it's had a huge effect on me, positive effect. I feel absolutely brilliant, and I feel like I've kind of got my freedom back. Within 2 days, I feel like my freedom has actually come back. I just feel like a different person. I feel so positive. I feel so, I don't know, kind of alive. I felt like before I had kind of gone into a little bubble, that literally my world was closing in around me, because I was literally just kind of there, kind of plodding along, going into work, collecting the kids, nothing. But in 2 days, like, I've managed to kind of achieve huge things, and the benefits from the other day and the KAM technique have just been amazing. And I've met everyone I met the other day was absolutely lovely. I felt so comfortable with everybody, and Karl, Viv, Michael, everybody. God, it's amazing. It really is truly amazing how I feel today. Thanks so much.